Hey guys, I just got home from the gym this evening and I'm a little bit of a mess, so I'm sorry about that. But I recently picked up two new skincare products, an overnight cream and a resurfacing mask, and I've really been enjoying them. I want to share a review on these two products with you guys tonight. When I was pretty young, I had a fairly bad case of chicken pox, and they wore on my face, and it was kind of a nightmare. And because I was so young, I didn't really know better, and I ended up basically scratching, because it was so itchy, I ended up scratching it all off my face. And I'm not sure if you guys can see, but I still actually have a lot of brown spots and little scars kind of all over my face from these chicken pox. So I think from a pretty young age, I was pretty determined to take as good of care as possible of my skin and just do anything and everything within my control to just have, the best skin possible, or just try to do whatever I could to, maintain the skin that I had. So from that tender age of 14 and 15, I would basically save all my money and go to, for those of you in Canada, Shoppers Drug Mart. For those of you in the US, that's basically like a Walgreens or a fancyish Walgreens, and, throw down as much money I could on really good eye cream and face cream, thinking that, that might help mitigate some of these spots and scarring that I have from chickenpox. So needless to say, I've kind of always taken skincare a little bit on the serious side. Anyways, I feel like I've tried many different skincare products, many different skincare brands and lines, and I recently picked up two new products, a resurfacing mask and an overnight cream, and I want to share a review of these two products with you guys right now. Thanks for checking out this video. I'm Tyler, and if you like what you're seeing or you find this video to be helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, or better yet, you can subscribe to my channel. So I have to tell you guys, I have been pretty brand loyal, especially in the last 5-6 years when it comes to skincare and skincare products. So when you stumble on new products and a new brand, and they kind of work for you, that's exactly the kind of thing that I find super exciting, and that's why I wanted to make this video and share my thoughts and opinions about these two new products with you guys. Alright, so these two new products that I mentioned are by a company called Youth to the People, and the first product is called a Yerba Matte Resurfacing Energy Facial. This is the resurfacing mask that I was talking about. And the second product that I want to share with you guys today in this video is SuperBerrry Hydrate Glow Dream Mask. And this is an overnight mask, and I have to say I'm kind of obsessed with this product right here. Now, I wasn't really familiar, or familiar at all really, with this brand, Youth to the People, but I had seen some ads for the resurfacing mask on social media and online, and I think just because of my situation and these chicken pox and just being kind of obsessed with skincare, I was kind of drawn to it and picked this one up, and then saw that this other overnight cream had really good reviews and ended up picking up this one as well. Anyways, let me show you how these products work, and I'm gonna start off with the Yerba resurfacing mask. Just to give you guys the instructions, it says formulated to smooth skin texture, even skin tone, improve radiance. So those are some pretty big claims, exactly the kind of things that I'm looking for to even out my skin tone, especially like I mentioned on my forehead. So this is applied by, so it says here, apply an even layer to clean, damp skin, leave on for 2 to 3 minutes, allowing enzymes to activate, add water, gently massage in circular motions to complete the resurfacing treatment, and then rinse off. And they recommend using this product 1 to 3 times per week. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that now. Okay, so I'm just going to wash and clean my face first. So I use on the daily this Aesop product in 2 Minds facial cleanser. So I'm just gonna go ahead now and wash my face with that product. All right, how does that look? All right. Oh. All right, so let's take a clean cloth here. Get rid of all of that. So it does say to apply the product to a damp face. So my face is damp. So I'm going to grab some of this product. It did say to leave on for 2 to 3 minutes, but I'm just going to apply a thin layer on my face. I'm trying to get it everywhere. Now, I have used this product a few times already since getting it, and I would kind of actually recommend doing this in the shower because there's like little granules and texture to the product, obviously, because it's a resurfacing mask, and it's just easier to get off all of those little sandy bits in the shower, but I'm doing this here for you guys now. All right, so went ahead and applied that, and now I'm going to wait that 2 to 3 minutes, and I'll be right back. All right, how do I look? So it's been 2 to 3 minutes. I'm not sure if you guys can tell, but you can see, it looks different now. So I'm letting the enzymes activate, whatever that means, and as you can see, there's like all of these white little dots now, which is probably the texture portion of the mask that I was telling you about earlier. So now what I need to do is add some warm water and just sort of gently, circle that around. So let me go ahead and get some water and do that now. All right, so let's see what happens. All right. One thing I really like about this mask is my skin doesn't feel really tight. Sometimes when you do like a clay mask or any kind of mask for that matter, your skin gets kind of really dry, tight feeling. This one doesn't quite make you feel that way, which is good. I'll just grab a little bit more water. All right. There we go. All right, so I've just added water, and now it's time to rinse this off. Now it is kind of challenging to get rid of all of the little particles, but I'm gonna do my best, and then I'll just get a new clean face cloth and use that to, you know, help rinse off any remaining bits and pieces. So let me grab that. All right, there we go. So they recommend that you only use this product, you know, a handful of times each week. And in the few weeks that I've been using this product, I've been really happy with the results. So first, like I already mentioned, it doesn't dry out your skin, and it just leaves this really soft, buttery texture. And I really do feel like there's some radiance there. So let me know in the comments down below, is this a product that you guys have used? Have you had success with it, etc.? So now that let me just really double check that I've gotten all the little bits off. All right, it really is best to probably use this in the shower. But now I'm going to apply this amazing overnight cream, and I cannot stop using this. I've been using it every evening, every night since getting it. And the reasons that I like it is sometimes when you put cream, in my experience, on your face overnight, sometimes when you wake up the next day, you know, sometimes you can break out, or sometimes the product feels really gloopy and heavy and dense. But what I really love about this product here is my skin the next day just looks fantastic. It really does absorb in, and I don't break out by having this on my face overnight. And you know when you add like cream to your face and you get that sort of like tingling sensation that your skin is really dry? I always get that when I use this, and I kind of like that. Just really sort of reinforces the fact that my skin is like dry and is being quenched by this overnight cream. And looks like I still have some on my neck. Anyways, so I'm gonna apply this. It has like an interesting, it's not scent free. It does have like an interesting scent to it. A little bit perfumey. I don't know if it's my favorite, but it's not very strong. And I just like to go to town with this product because I just like it. It just works. And I think this product got like awards and stuff. I'm not really sure which ones, but I've had really good success with it. And that's like just half the battle is keeping your skin hydrated. So I just like to kind of get it all worked in. There we go. And I did put quite a bit on, so it will take a minute or two to get all absorbed in. But I would really highly recommend definitely this overnight mask. It hydrates your skin. You wake up, your face looks refreshed, plump, nice, and moisturized. And yeah, I'm already feeling like a little bit of a tingling sensation. I don't know if that's a product that they have, like an ingredient that they placed in this product, or if it's just my skin's dry and it's that sensation of, you know, when you have dry skin or chapped lips and you put, you know, some cream on and you just get that feeling. But yeah, let me know if you guys have used this product too and what your thoughts are on it. But that's it for me. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Miss you already. See you next Saturday.